Welcome back to Yard and Foreign Life TV. Yes, and another trip heading to a location somewhere in the Leesburg area. And I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. We are here right now in another area, Leesburg, and we just driving out because it's another nice and warm day in Florida. You see how many people are out here, and we have Elvis here. He's driving.
Paying attention.
A little bit on the outside, you see a lot of activity. Drivers driving, going to different locations. But nonetheless, we are out, and we want you to join us on our journey. There are many different places, car wash. You have the Sheriff Ranch's thrift store, Domino's Pizza. You know, just a whole bunch of different things to do on a nice sunny day.
This is a beautiful day in God's country. Wonderful day. And we're excited to be alive and well. And for those who are watching, I hope you keep safe and make the best of the days that you're here. So see you later, and please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Share with everyone in your contacts. Don't be afraid. All right. So we'll see you later.
So right now We'll be cooking some nice chicken soup, starting off with the pumpkin. Welcome back, viewers. We'll be chicken soup, starting off with the pumpkin.
We're gonna be cooking some Saturday soup. This consists of like pumpkin, carrots, chicken, and all kind of goodies. So stay tuned and see what's happening.
So that's the chicken over there, and that's the pumpkin. Over here, we have what we call chocha in our language. It's chayote in Spanish countries. And we have the lovely carrots, some green bananas, and also some lemon. That's what we call it. I know other countries may have different names for it, but that's what we call it.
In Jamaica.
In Jamaica. So we'll show you all preparation, and we'll also show you when everything is in the pot. So stay tuned, more to come. So there he goes, crushing the pumpkin. So washing off the pumpkin, and then from the water to the pot. Nice steamy hot water.
Water don't have to be boiling when you're doing this. Just put everything in there because we're gonna crush it. So let's do the other thing. Carrots.
And we have what we call vegetable peeler. That's for taking the raw skin off the carrot. You might be saying I cut his head in half, because I'm not doing his head, I'm just doing the veggies. Enough handwork, but at the end, trust me, you will love it.
Lots of carrot in this soup. Carrot is good for vision.
At least that's what we heard when we were kids. The carrot is good for the eyes, and the milk is good for the teeth. But I don't know. People who eat too much candy ruin their teeth.
So we're gonna cut the carrot in bite sizes, not really thin, but bite sizes.
Transferring the carrots to the pot. And they call this, my grandmother used to call it a one-pot meal. And so we believe that because you add everything in and then just leave it to cook.
Hmm? Not really. I can. So they say that chicken soup is good for, it has healing power. Let me clean the board. Yeah. Or lemon. Lemon. Just one. Just half. Just half. Half is good.
So we're gonna use the lemon to clean the chicken thoroughly.
So I don't cook my chicken with skin on it unless it's like deep fry. Otherwise, no skin. Or unless it's the wing. Skin can't come off so easy. I have no time to race.
See how the chicken looks already fresh?
Cutting it up in bite sizes, I'm gonna wash it.
Take a look at the pumpkin and the carrots. They're boiling. Take a look at that.
Texture. I know.
Still working on the chicken. Almost finished dismembering the body of the fowl. That's what they would say.
That's it.
Making sure every nitty-gritty clean.
Let me fuse it.
That means everything going down in your stomach is
That's
nice.
Really?
And
You
clean.
think so?
That's enough. That's enough. That's a lot of meat for a few people. So we still have half a chicken left.
Freezer. Freezer. You put it in the freezer. Then I cut out this part where you put it in the freezer.
Yes, so the balance, everything balance, everything a balance. So remainder going back to the freezer. We can use that again and do something with it. You can make some nice brown stew chicken, or you can curry some chicken. You know, I saw the work go. Or you can make some more soup for next time. Using the lemon to clean up the remainder of what's left that was not cleaned earlier on. And I feel no way. When it's done, you will have a nice belch. Look at that steam coming from that pot. All right, let me show you the time. So look at that. It's 5:19 p.m. So we are going to try and see how much time the soup are going to take to cook. You see them, they're not gone like pot yet. The chocho, the banana, and the yam still out here, look. Now the chicken is been added to the pot. Say something to the people them.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, remember, subscribe, share, like,
drop a comment in the box,
and make comments. Tell me what should I do next time.
So he's peeling the yam. It's white yam, it's not yellow yam this time. See, that is skin off yam peel. So from the board to the pan, from the pan, soon landing at this pot. So it's time for the bananas.
Like keeping my place clean at all times. Garbage pan right there, but it's like can't bother to do that all the time. Just use a bag and then throw it in the garbage.
But as they say, when something is going to the stomach, you have to make sure it's real clean. So when you consume it, you know that you are okay. So we always like to keep our place clean while working or while doing anything. That's what a banana looks like when it comes from the skin. You see, it's been washed under the pipe, then it's transported to the board, and then once everything is completed, it will go straight into the pot.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you like my cooking, share it in the comments. Or should I say the way that I cook, share it in the comments.
So you saw everything in its raw state. Now it's time for the chocho. So you notice I'm not saying anything, I'm just watching the handiwork. Tell us if you agree or if you like the way he uses his hand to peel the veggies for the pot. Keep watching, stay tuned, more to come.
All right. Remember to subscribe. Subscribe. Share. Share all you can. Comment as much as possible. And like. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, where we'll be adding
This stream?
these veggies.
This stream?
And also we'll be adding some dumpling. Stay tuned. Okay guys, we're back. Time for the flour.
So yeah, we just need this amount of flour in the soup. It's not much of us. And have the water steady. Just need it to like be dripping like something like this. To force, need it to be a little bit slower. Like that. And then I'm just mixing up the flour and the salt together. And then I'm just gonna feel the texture of it.
And sometimes people mess up with their flour, but you can just add little dry flour to the mixture and you're still good.
So in less than a minute, the flour is needed. So we're gonna make some, what we call it, dog tongue
Spinners
or spinners in the soup. See, we have a good texture, not watery, not too dry.
Take a look at the pot so far.
Look like this. Put in your hand miggle. Use the next hand, palm out, roll. Look like that, drop in the pot. Simple, easy.
One more, show the people that one more time to make it spinners.
So looking like this. Just take up a little piece, bite size, put in your hand middle, palm out together and roll it. That's it, drop in the pot. You can cook with big dumpling too, you know, but I don't really like big dumpling in a soup. Everything in a soup must be bite-sized to me. A soup hot, you know. And you can burn up yourself when time you have big dumpling in there. So everything must be bite-sized for me in soup.
Still at work, it's almost finished. Stir the pot so the dumpling don't stick.
Yeah, I'll wait for the chicken to cook. Chicken go just half cook. So I have like these things here, the food, the ground provision. Just gonna throw all of them in the pots. Whatever ground provision you want to put in the soup, it's up to you. Soup can't spoil. So you know the soup almost finished. And it look like things not happening yet. Some food not start going in pot yet. But it's almost done. Whatever you want in the soup, put it in there. I don't like certain things in my soup, but maybe you do, so you put it in there.
See, everything I cook. So simmer down. And check the time. 5:43 now. Remember, we start at 5:19. Catch the pot.
At this stage, I'm gonna pepper the pot. I bore the pepper, push a knife through it, and drop it in the pot. We put scallion and thyme. Scallion and thyme there.
Over here. Still in the bag. We smell the aroma of the pepper. So he's washing thyme to place in the pot.
This we're not afraid of thyme soup.
And then we call it green onion or scallion.
Flavor the soup good.
Crush the pepper. You can do it in your hands. You can use a fork, not a fork, you can use a knife handle and beat it. That also softens the scallion.
Get the moisture out, get all the flavors out. So I'm gonna wait on the pot to start boiling again because of the things that we put in there. They were like at room temperature, so they cool the water down. So it stopped boiling. So when it start boiling again, I'm gonna put the other stuff in there. So stay tuned. Remember, subscribe, share with everyone, and comment and like. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the finished product. You see that? Everything I see my down. Hey, see my time. Could it face? I'm not seeing you. It's fine.
So we're gonna put some Grace chicken noodle and pumpkin in there.
You see that? So you know what you have to put in your soup when you're ready to cook soup.
With this big pot, I'm gonna use 2 noodles. Otherwise, I would have used this only, a smaller pot. And spices like the all-purpose seasoning, the powder seasoning, and those kind of things, garlic powder, etc.
Alright, chicken, we have pumpkin nothing more until it's ready to be served. I know you all enjoy so far, so stay tuned and go and watch.
And since you're enjoying the video, please subscribe, like it, comment on it, and share it. Thanks.
Alright. So we can know what's going on. So as I stated, please stay tuned. See the bubble, see the colors, nice color. Stay tuned. People, hear the comment so far. Hear the comment.
Food smells so good. So good. I smell the aroma is so great. I smell the pepper. Yeah, so good.
You hear that? So wanna listen up. Like what you see, comment on it.
Subscribe.
Let us know what you think. Subscribe to our channel. And make sure that you try it for yourself. That way, you will enjoy it even more. So time for the noodle to go in the pot.
So we're just gonna let this simmer down. Let it cook. And time is against us.
Check it out. We still not catch hour yet. When it touch 6:19, then we know it's a touch an hour. Right about now, it's a minute to 6 o'clock. So we still have at least 20 minutes more for the pot to simmer down. Right, stay tuned for more.
So ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. As you can see, I'm done cooking.
Show the time.
I'm done cooking. This time, you see,
6:14, we started at 6:19.
so that's super. Not really ready for me now because we need one better pumpkin, one richer pumpkin. But still, it look yellow. So don't mind the color. It tastes really good. Come and taste it. So yes, dinner is ready. So less than an hour, the soup is ready.
Hey, Carla.
All right. So we're about to serve and enjoy our meal. So we'll be right back. Remember, subscribe. You can make comments, share this video, and like it. And thanks for watching. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to share. Look at this. Looks so good. Lots of food, lots of meat. So it seems as if we have to invite the neighbors over.
Yes.
Yeah, take down more.
The quantity of soup. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Sumptuous, delicious. Looking good.
Over here with the
Like,
cat.
have it. Make comments. Just remember to subscribe, share, and like. So I would like you guys to cook some of these soup and just like this or however you like it and make comments.
Really buy it?
So you go to Caribbean when you want to cook soup?
Yeah, but me not
Since
buy
you're
buy
downtown.
chocho. Just like how you know buy carrot, they cook also.
Yeah, we will buy it sometimes.
But you're not going to taste the soup. Eh? Okay? Come on, taste it now. You want me to show something here?
This is good.
Huh? Okay? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Come now, as it. You have to come reach the ball. You can't reach up. You can come around.
Come on, Joe, come sit down. One block is fine, thank you.
Wow. This is some soup here.
You know, video, don't video right now, just video the voice. Okay. It's not on you.
I know.
Okay.
So he's keeping on. This soup is so delicious. Woo. Yeah, this is really good. Nice amount of pepper. Good amount of the vegetables, the carrots, what we call the chocha, the noodles, just give it that kick. It's really delicious. The texture is good, not too thick, not too thin. This is really, really good. Good job, good job, good job.
So like I said, light sizes, you can burn up yourself. Like so cut the soup, cut the food, the things in bite sizes. And put in big old yam, big dumplings, everything and burn up yourself. Bite sizes. Yeah, that's very like deep.
This is good.
And the pepper never stained, it wasn't staying in the pot, you know. You know, they just put it and took it out. But because it's, no. Yes, he did put a little, but he didn't keep it in there because I told him you don't eat that.
Chicken.
Check for the pepper too. There's a thumbs up here?
Right, 20 minutes away from us.
Okay.
Delay.
Okay.
Yeah, for all the soup lovers. Person who loves food.
You like pepper?
All right.
I just see pepper happy than this.
Oh yeah?
Stomach got damage.
I told him you don't do pepper. That's how we used to act when we were kids. You remember that?
Pretty good, man. I like the taste. It's a little peppery though.
Oh yeah?
But pepper is good for you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's like what you're sweating right there.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah.
Listen to me. All right, this young man, after cooking, is relaxing. Have all foot up in the couch. But you know, a time for work and a time for leisure. Make sure yourself is well deserved. Get some rest, because that is key. Because when your body broke down, you can't do nothing.
What did I do?